विश्वेशं माधवं धुण्डिं दण्डपाणिं च भैरवम् वन्दे काशीं गुहां गङ्गां भवानीं मणिकर्णिकाम्। Welcome devotees. In this episode, we will see Krittivaseshwar and Kukkuteshwar. Krittivaseshwar. As per Kashi Khand, one demon named Gajasur was beating and killing various Shivgans and other devotees in the holy city of Kashi. Lord Shiva did not want any sort of disturbance in the Avimukta Kashi Kshetra. Accordingly, Lord Shiva pierced huge Gajasur with his Trishul and lifted him high in the sky. Before dying, Gajasur requested that after his death, his skin should adorn Lord Shiva forever, and Gajasur would have the satisfaction of being in constant touch of Lord Shiva. Lord Shiva stated that Gajasur's body will attain the form of a huge Shivling precisely at the place where he died. This ling will be called Krittivaseshwar, which will be a huge ling. Lord Shiva further stated that he will always remain in Krittivaseshwar ling. According to Kashikand, a mere darshan of Krittivaseshwar would cleanse the devotee of all his sins. Krittivaseshwar ling also finds mention in other Purans like Brahmavaivar Puran, Kurma Puran, etc. By performing pujas of Krittivaseshwar, a devotee will attain moksha. Lord Shiva also stated that there are 14 prominent lings, and by merely uttering the names of such lings, the devotee is absolved of all his sins. Fourth among such lings is Krittivaseshwar. For details about this Shivling, devotees may refer to our website varanasitemples.in. Krittivaseshwar ling is considered to be very, very powerful. As per Kashikand chapter 79, there are several Shaktipeeths in Kashi, and Krittivasa Peeth is one of those powerful Shaktipeeths. Any prayers offered in these Shaktipeeths will yield multiple benefits to the devotees. सप्तकोटि महारुद्रैः सुजप्तैर् यत् फलं भवेत् तत्फलं लभ्यते काश्यां पूजनात् कृत्तिवाससः. Kashikand chapter 68 slok 43. Performing puja of Krittivaseshwar Shivling in Kashi will yield punya of reciting 7 crore Maharudrams. During medieval times, many Mughal rulers destroyed various temples, and Krittivaseshwar temple is one of them. After destruction of the temple, the reconstruction was undertaken by Raja Patnimal after a long gap, and present temple was constructed at a place to the south of the ancient temple. However, several years back, one huge shivling has been installed by devotees at the precise place where the original Krittivaseshwar ling existed. Now prayers are regularly being offered in this temple also. Both the temples are in the same locality only. Special importance is on all Chaturdashi, Amavasya and Purnima days. Krittivaseshwar temple is located on the road leading to Mrityunjay temple in the vicinity of Kal Bhairav. Devotees can combine darshan of this temple along with Kal Bhairav temple. Kukkuteshwar. According to Kashikand chapter 53, Lord Shiva sent several Shivgans to evaluate the type of governance of Raja Divodas, who was ruling Kashi, and also to create some disturbance. These Shivagans arrived at Kashi and they found the place enchanting. They installed several Shivlings and started performing puja of these links. When the first batch of Shivagans did not return back to Mantrachal, where Lord Shiva was stationed, subsequent batches of Shivagans were also sent and they also did not return. In one of the batches, one Shivagan known as Kukkut arrived at Kashi and installed one Shivling which was named after him as Kukkuteshwar. He then started praying to Lord Shiva. Kashikan states that a person who worships Kukkuteshwar Shivling will attain all happiness and will not have any rebirth. Kukkuteshwar is located just outside the door opening to the southern side of Durga Devi temple at Durga Kund. Durga Kund is a famous landmark and people can travel up to this place by cycle rickshaw or auto or even car.